Hello makeup lover, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, I'm so happy to see you and I hope to see you again. My name is Malene. I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain, and I'm here to inspire you, or I hope that I can inspire you. For these two different looks for today, I pulled out my Risqué Rose palette. It's the quad from Pat McGrath Labs. It was a part of the holiday collection 2020. Can you believe that? It's so long ago and it feels like it was yesterday. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, if you want to see how I did these two different looks, please hang in there and I will show you. So let's do some makeup, shall we? I'm going to start by showing you the palette, the Risqué Rose quad. Here you have it. It's beautiful. I feel that for this look, the lightest shade in the palette is a little bit too dark to be used as a highlighter. So I dipped into my Golden Nectar and I'm using that as highlighter under my brows here with my Sonia G flat definer. Today we are going to make magic with the colors. I'm going to show you how to not be afraid of the pink shade, but I am going to start with the Rose Rebellion. Yes, the pink shade. I'm just going to use that as a transition shade and I'm just dabbing it on gently. I do not want this to be heavy in any way. This is just a light wash of color for me. Dipped into the same color with my Builder Pro. And I literally mean dip. Dipped into the gorgeous dark brown called Mink Noir, and I'm just placing that in the outer corner here of my, or the outer part of my mobile eyelid here. As you can see, this is very pigmented, but it's okay because I need the depth right here. I want it to be very dark here, so it's fine. Using the same Builder Pro and the same color, Mink Noir, I'm gonna put that on the lower part here on my lower eyelid as an eyeliner. Now for some magic. I dipped the same brush into Rose Rebellion and now I'm gonna put it on top of the brown color to transform it into, as you can see, a more purple kind of color. Back in with some more Rose Rebellion. Dipped into the Rose Rebellion again, and I'm going to put it under my eyes here. Because I really want the next palette to pop, I'm gonna put on some intensifiers as a base here to really make the color super intense and foiled, hopefully. With my Builder Pro from Sonagy, I dipped into the lavendering. Mixing it into the other colors here. I want a little bit more. I really want to amp this up. It is such a beautiful silvery purple shade. Just like the Opulust gloss, it also has the color lavendering. Last dip and application of the lavendering for this eye. Really want it to pop. And a little bit on the lower lash line here. I want to give this look a liquid eyeliner, because to me this is like the party side. Just concentrating on the outer half mainly. And I am going to put on some lashes. Did a little bit of tight lining with a black eyeliner pencil, and I put on the Dark Star mascara from Pat McGrath Labs. Now I'm going to go off cam to put on some false lashes. Now back with some false lashes on, and that really is the icing on the cake when it comes to this look, I feel. And now I'm going to go on to the next eye and do a second look. For the second look, I'm also going to start with a little bit of my Golden Nectar highlighter as a highlight under my brows, using my flat definer brush. I dipped into the Mink Noir, the dark brown shade, and I'm just going to place that in the outer corner here and in the inner corner. And I'm going to blend it up and into the crease, ever so slightly and lightly. Dipped into the same color again with my Builder Pro, and starting in the outer corner like I did before, and then in the inner corner. I'm basically starting where I want the color to give out the most pigment in the look, where I wanted the most concentrated. And after that, I'm just gonna blend it up and out. Same brush, same color under my eye, in the outer third of the eyelid here, or the lower eyelid, and the inner corner, more or less, the inner part here. Dipped into the Life on Mars color, and I am gonna put that here in the middle of my eyelid where there is an empty space, and then I'm gonna mix it into the brown color. We're gonna need a little bit more. A little bit more Live on Mars. Beautiful metallic shade. It is peachy, but to me it has a little bit pink in it in a weird way. Like so. And of course the blank space under my eye was for this color. So I'm just gonna put it on. I put it on the tip of my brush. And I'm just gonna put it on and blend it into the brown color. Did a little bit of a tight lining and put some black mixed with brown on the waterline. Now I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit and just smoke it out here. With my reference number 3. For the second look, I'm also going to do a liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to turn my side here. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. And like the first eye, I'm just mainly going to concentrate it on the outer part of the eyelid. Back with some mascara on, and this is what it looks like so far. I'm now going to go off cam and put on the false lashes. Now back with some false lashes, and I'm now going to scoot to one side so you can see the two different looks. If you want to spice up the look a little bit, you can gently just dip your brush, a fluffy brush for example, into the lavendering and put that on top here on the border to give it a little bit of sparkle. But to not make it purple, but just give it a little bit of sparkle. I almost forgot about the inner corner. Of course, I'm gonna put the highlighting shade on the inner corner to lighten that up a little bit, like so. So this is a final look with a full face of makeup. I'm just gonna turn to the side so you can see that I actually put some Nymphette Divine blush on my cheeks, and on top of that I put on the Golden Nectar highlighter. And on my lips, I have on the Divinal Lip Shine in the color Bel Amour. I also chose to put a little bit of the lavendering under my eyes as well to really make the look cohesive. Now, I'm going to put on some glasses so you can see what that does to the look and how it looks with glasses on. This is it. As you can see, you have different possibilities even with only 4 colors. But you just need to think out of the box and mix and match the colors and see what you can get out of it. Sometimes it's like blah, and sometimes it's like really, really nice. Maybe you should experiment a day or a night when you're not going anywhere, so you know what you have in store. But anyways, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and you are up for so much more. Anyways, I really want to thank you so much for taking your time out of your day to watch this video. And I hope you will have an absolutely awesome day. Thank you so much. Bye. Mwah.